folks, it's me again. Got more garage gum. If you're wondering what's up with garage gum, I was asked that question by a friend of mine. Just something we'd like to do. When you're weird, you're weird. Tell us to it. My kids like gum, so brought some gum in here, 2 years ago? Keep them busy, so they eat it all. Turn them all to diabetics. Anyway, with that said, plus gum has flavor and it's probably no good for me, so gotta enjoy one bad thing. Or maybe like 4 of them. Okay, got a big mouth, need more gum. The weekly What's New. This week, I'm tearing apart a 3-wheeler. I got a few things that I needed for the bike. You'll see that in future videos. I won't tell you because what's the point of watching if you already know what's going on. I moved some of the stuff out of here to a storage facility. It's gotten a little cleaner. No, it's not cleaner. Worked on my store. Made some new shelves. Be selling hot sauce a little more. Ordering some. What else? I got a frame back. I picked up a bed sheet. I needed something to cover the frame, so I bought a flat sheet for a bed because the 2 frames are just sitting there, and if I spray the front forks, they're gonna get covered in red. The rest of the garage don't matter, but I don't want the nice frame, so I was gonna do it later this week, but I totally forgot. I got the 2 triple trees back, and I'm gonna what I'm gonna do again? Paint them red. I found out where to order all the stickers for the bikes. It's some I don't know if I remember, I'll tell you in the video. So I figured out where to order 85 stickers, 86 and 87 stickers, and put all the stuff. I remember I found all the photos I took of the stickers on the bike, what year, what not, and all that shit. So, what else? I acquired a new switch, key switch. Put the bike back together and see if I can get the key fixed to work in the helmet lock. What else? A couple little things, not much. I'm going to be checking out some of the racks and stuff on the bike and see if I can take out some of the imperfections, clean it off, take out some imperfections, clean off, then send it out to be sandblasted and painted. And if I find any more imperfections, I will scrape it off, fix it. I'm mostly looking for bad imperfections. I don't care if it's like, I'm not building a freaking Concours, what they call them, bike. I'm just building a bike, but I mostly want to take some of the like major dents out, weld them in, and fill it. So that's it. Like this bike here, the little thing to hold the trunk lid up doesn't work anymore. It's not there, so I'm probably just gonna get ejected. The little there's a little square box with a little clip that goes in, plastic clip that holds the little. There's a little bar, kind of like on your trunk. You put the bar up, holds your trunk up, your hood up. Well, that one has for the back. Well, the little metal part's rotted out, so I'm gonna take the bar off and just eject it. I don't care. It's a 3-wheeler. It's not a freaking. It's not a World War II submarine that we need to, fix up. It's not a vintage German Panzer. It should be cleaned and driven around your yard. It's a 3-wheeler. But anyway, this bike is. I cut the wiring. First, what I did is I took it off for a ride. It's the last ride, for at least in this condition. Took it off a ride, make sure the engine ran, and I basically then stripped the wiring harness off and just started taking shit off it. I threw all the stuff in one box, so that's a mishmash of 86 parts over there. What else? Mostly a couple of tool reviews. I didn't take any pictures of the crude shelving I made because it's just crude. It's store shelving. I cut it up and made a section. I'm trying to amass all my tools in one spot because I need to do work. It's summer now. Technically, it's not getting minus, so I can leave some batteries in my garage so they don't freeze. So I got to start leaving a couple of batteries, which I don't think there even is a battery in here for my DeWalt shit. I've essentially now realized I've converted my what do you call it? I use all DeWalt flashlights in my house for power outages. We we've converted our Dyson vacuum to a DeWalt. I was going to do a video on that, but it would have been the world's shortest, stupidest video, because it's like, oh yeah, 3 screws, boom, boom, done, plug the battery in. So that would have been real, like, simple hack. Oh, there you go. Plus, there's already a million on YouTube. And I also converted 2 Barbie Jeeps to take DeWalt batteries. So if there's anything else in the world I'm missing that could possibly take a DeWalt battery that doesn't, I'm going to find it. Hey, maybe a Big Red. But yeah, I should put a 12-volt thing on there with a Big Red and put a lithium battery in it. Maybe instead of these big lead acid things, I can just put a 12-volt. Oh, that might, because the battery case might be wide enough. I can make maybe an 8 or 10 amp battery there. Just click. Oh no, it's 18 volts. I don't need a converter. Don't get me started. I might try this. No, I'm not trying to make an electric bike. I think electric's stupid. I mean, it is what it is. But anyway, with that said, I'm still here. I'm making videos. I popped up a whole bunch of videos this week ahead of time. Get more time, I'm going to pop some more up. But with that said, that's it really. Thanks for watching. If you've just joined my channel, I noticed I have 1,499 subscribers. Thank you all for the latest 9999 latest subscriber. You're awesome. For all the other behind you, you're even more awesome because you joined even earlier. You probably found it's hard to find people on YouTube. So with that said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and click some buttons. Thanks.